Have you ever said something in English and wondered if it sounded wrong? You know that feeling when you finish a sentence and think, wait, did I say that correctly? Well, you are not alone. I have been there too. Today I'm revealing 5 beginner mistakes that native speakers notice. And here's the best part: once you know them, you can fix them instantly. So stick around and let's dive in. Alright, here is mistake number 1, and I see this all the time. It's confusing. Do and does. Let me show you what I mean. Imagine Raj, he's from Mumbai, and he says, he do goes to the market every morning. Does that sound right to you? Probably not, right? Here is the rule, and it's simple. When we talk about he, she, or it, any singular person, we use does, not do. The correct way: he does go to the market every morning. Think about it like this. In everyday conversations, when your friends hear you say he do, they notice right away. So next time you're chatting with someone, catch yourself before you use do with he, she, or it. You have got this. Here is mistake number 1. Here is the tricky one. Articles. A, an, the. These 3 little words confuse almost every beginner. Picture this. You are at a chai shop in Delhi and you say, I want a apple juice. But the correct way is, I want an apple juice. Why? Because apple starts with a vowel sound. Here is the simple rule. Use a before words that start with consonant sounds. A cat, a book, a rickshaw. Use an before words that start with vowel sounds like an apple, an egg, an orange. And the, use it when you're talking about something specific. For example, the chai in Mumbai is delicious because you're talking about a specific type of chai. But chai is delicious works too if you are talking about the chai in general. You are learning the patterns now. Let's keep going. Mistake number 3. Now this one surprises everyone. It's called Subject-Verb Agreement. But don't let the fancy name scare you. Here's what it means. Your subject and your verb have to match. Let me show you. Priya from Bangalore says she go to the gym every day. But the correct way is she goes to the gym every day. The rule is simple. When your subject is he, she, or it, add an S to your verb. He plays football. She works in an office. It looks beautiful. But when your subject is I, you, we, or they, the verb stays the same. I play football. You work in an office. We look happy. You are noticing the patterns now. That's the sign you are getting better. Let's talk about the next common mistake. Mistake number 4. Okay, here's one that confuses even advanced learners. 3 words that sounds exactly the same but mean completely different things. There, there, there. Let me break it down for you. The first one, there. Use this when you're talking about place or location. For example, let's go there, or there is a temple in Jaipur. Second, their. This shows possession. It means something belongs to them. For example, their house is in Pune. Their names are Vikram and Ananya. Now the third one, their. This is contraction. It's short for they are. Example, they are learning English. They are from Hyderabad. Here's a trick. When you are not sure, try replacing the word with they are. If the sentence still makes sense, use their. If not, use their or their. You are doing great. Let's go to the last one. Mistake number 5. This last one is about 3 tiny words. In, on, at. And trust me, knowing when to use each one makes you sound so much more natural. Let me show you. Deepak from Chennai says, I am in Goa at the weekend. But is it at or on? Actually, it should be I am in Goa on the weekend. Here's how to remember. Use at for specific times like at 3 o'clock, at noon, at midnight. Use on for days and dates. On Monday, on 15th of January, on the weekend. Use in for months, years, or longer periods. For example, in January, in 2026, in the morning. Now, here is a real life example. I am meeting Sania in the morning at 9 o'clock on Friday. Now, do you notice how all 3 work together? That's how you will sound like a native speaker. Now you have got all the tools. Let's wrap this up. Here is what's important. These 5 mistakes appear in about 80% of beginner conversations. That means avoiding them makes a huge difference in how native speakers understand you. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more English designed for you. Thanks for learning with me. I am Shaz, and remember, keep practicing. You have got this.